नारायण नारायण।
किसकी आवाज थी ये?
बताओ ना कौन थी?
ये तो शीतल की आवाज है। 110% क्या 200%। मैं आंख बंद करके भी सुनूंगी तो मेरे को पता चल जाएगा शीतल की आवाज है।
तो विश यू वेरी 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 हैप्पी बर्थडे।
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू। कैमरा तो ऑन करो। थैंक यू थैंक यू
बर्थडे दी।
थैंक यू सो मच।
हैप्पी बर्थडे दीदी। मैंने
दी एक बार ग्रुप में डाल दीजिए ना, वो पासवर्ड का नहीं हो रहा है।
मैंने डाल दी है।
ओके ओके।
कौन से ग्रुप में बोल रहे हो अभी आप?
ये जो
वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे अलका जी।
थैंक यू सो मच।
Now birthday party.
Yes, that's why I thought that today I want to give everyone something special.
Okay.
Where I have learned starting loving myself and changing myself. This thing has changed my life.
Yeah.
So that's why I wanted to gift everybody this.
Okay, great.
Please do this 21 days. It will change as a miracle to you all.
Yeah.
That's why this is a gift from my side to everyone. Please do it. Those who are joining, just do the steps what I'm telling. It will really help you all and change you all everything. From each and every angle, from your health, wealth, relationships, everything. There are many people who are doing regularly. I think so Anju is doing, Sheetal is doing. There are many who are doing it. It is a miracle experience.
Thank you so much.
Hi Di.
किसकी आवाज है? दीपा की आवाज है मैम। थैंक यू। दीपा की आवाज थी ना शायद ये?
No, it's me, Pooja Khubani.
Pooja, okay. Thank you so much. Everybody are.
And what we have to do for 21 days now? You told I have not listened. I entered now, no?
I haven't shared anything. I'm just telling that just give me 5 minutes. Everyone are entering. Let them enter and then I'll share.
More happy returns of the day, Di.
Thank you. यार इसीलिए मैंने स्टार्ट किया कि आई वांटेड दैट समथिंग, मुझे आज कुछ करना है तो आई गिव एवरीवन दिस। कि लुइस हे का जो मैंने जिससे स्टार्ट किया था, जस्ट दैट वाज द बेसिक वेयर आई स्टार्टेड आफ्टर लर्निंग नोइंग कि these are the ways you can heal yourself. I think so Nirmala, there are some of them who had joined the personal sessions जहां पर इमोशन से हम बात करके कैसे हम हील करते हैं. Nirmala ji is a life person. She has experienced how she has saw the change, instant change in 5 to 10 minutes in her body.
Yes, absolutely.
तो सबको शेयर करके बताइए, क्योंकि आज तो हमें गिफ्टिंग ही करना है. आज जो भी है जिसको एक्सपीरियंसेस है सब अपने शेयर करिए.
एक तो सबसे लेटेस्ट मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी.
अच्छा अभी और नया आ गया क्या? पहले वाला तो शेयर कर दो.
पहले वाले इतने सारे, अभी कौन सा?
जो बैक पेन का था ना आपका?
हाँ, बैक पेन का था मुझे. तो दीदी ने मुझे बताया कि कैसे खुद को हील करना है, कैसे वो चीज को फाइंड आउट करना है कि हमें पेन क्यों है, पेन को हमें क्वेश्चन करना है अंदर और फिर उसको ब्रस्ट आउट करना है. तो मैंने जैसे दीदी ने मुझे गाइड किया मैंने किया और मुझे विद इन 2 to 3 मिनट्स मुझे वो चीज़ की रिलीफ हो गई. और फिर मैंने मॉर्निंग में उसको रिपीट किया. और दीदी ने परसों अपना खुद का जो आपने एक्सपीरियंस बताया था दीदी, वो सेम चीज़ आज सुबह हो गई थी मुझे. राइट हैंड साइड में हाथ में मेरे से शोल्डर में पेन आ गया था सिवियर. तो मुझे आपकी वो बात याद आई. मैंने इमीडिएट लेटे लेटे खुद से वो सब कुछ किया, क्वेश्चन किया और 2 मिनट में शॉर्ट आउट हो गया वो.
So, यहाँ पर हमको अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि इट इज जस्ट अ सिचुएशन और अ पर्सन हु इज डूइंग अस. हम उसको उसके अंदर बंध जाते हैं. वी आर टाइड अप विद दैट.
और मैं सेकेंड डे का हादसा आपको बताना चाहूंगी. जब मैं आपका सेशन अटेंड कर रही थी, आपको याद हो तो मैं लेटी हुई थी दीदी.
yes.
उस वक्त मेरी कंडीशन इतनी खराब थी कि मैं सेशन सुनते सुनते मेरी आंखें बंद हो गई. मैं आधी बेहोश हो चुकी थी और उस हालत में मुझे सिर्फ आपकी आवाज सुन रही थी. आप उस वक्त जो भी सेशन ले रहे थे ना, बस मुझे कुछ एकदम बेहोश हो चुकी थी. मुझे सिर्फ आपकी वो आवाज आ रही थी. उतनी मेरी कंडीशन उन दिनों में खराब चल रही थी. और वो आपने जो एक चीज बताई उससे मैं बहुत मतलब 100 टाइम्स बेटर फील कर रही हूँ।
उसके बाद में तो आपने कितनी सारी वो ग्रुप लेके एक्टिविटीज भी ज्वाइन की है।
जी, क्योंकि 8 दिन में मेरा इतना चेंज आ गया मेरी हेल्थ में भी और मुझ में खुद में भी एक एक्टिवनेस आ गई। तो मैं बहुत डल और एकदम स्टक फील कर रही थी कि मेरा माइंड ब्लॉक हो चुका है। मैंने आपसे कम से कम 10 बार कहा होगा कि मेरा माइंड ब्लॉक हो गया है। अब वो कंडीशन नहीं है। अब मुझे मतलब थोड़ा सा कहीं रुकती तो तुरंत मुझे लगता है हाँ ये सब करना है, ये बाकी तुरंत मैं एनर्जेटिक हो जाती हूँ।
गुड गुड गुड। I think so. Hope we should start now because it's a long time. किसी को और कोई शेयरिंग करनी है? अंजू, एनीथिंग फ्रॉम योर साइड? शीतल, हमारे पास मिराकल्स वाले बहुत है आज तो। आई एम सो हैप्पी एवरीवन इज देयर ओवर हियर टुडे। शीतल,
नारायण नारायण।
नारायण नारायण। निशा जी कहाँ है?
वो कुछ गीता जी का कर रहे हैं अभी।
ओके, यहाँ पर शीतल इज ऑल्सो। या
English or Hindi session, ma'am?
You want
because
English?
I don't know Hindi.
Okay, okay. I'll translate in English also.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Please.
I'll translate in English also.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Here, Nirmala ji has said that she was doing the techniques little bit what I have taught, and she was in pain from last 8 days when she started doing, and she has totally changed and she has recovered totally from the pain and everything. She has changed her attitude and towards. And yesterday also she was having in the pain in her body, and she healed herself, and within 5 minutes she was recovered. अंजू जी, आप कुछ शेयर करोगे?
क्लास नडुकुंदा
माइक
I will share one thing that Alka had given us a magic stick, and that helped us to manifest our goals, our thoughts, to get better result for the manifesting our goals, and it's a gift for me in my life.
Anju, I haven't given. We have done it
and given a great. But you are the source, of course.
It is, but action you all have taken, so I don't take the credit. I give it as a credit to you all, because जिन्होंने action लिया है, those who have taken action are the person who wanted transformation in their life. Actual, where I know so many of them, those who have taken, they have got results. So let us now understand what is Louise Hay and what we need to do for Louise Hay. I'll share a photo for her. Let me share my screen. If this photo, give me a second. This opens. Yes, she is. Are you able to see her photo?
Yes,
She is Louise Hay. She is a person. Can everybody mute your mics?
Okay.
Louise Hay, she's a lady who was going through a phase of cancer. She was going through a very difficult phase in her life, but she realized that कि I don't want to. मैं पहले English में बोलती हूँ, then I'll take it in Hindi. I don't want to give up, and she started looking for some solutions, and she came up with the affirmations and working with the mirror and everything, and she healed her cancer with working over herself. So she has given each and every brief where I know when I came to know about this book, Heal Your Life, I have gifted that books to each and every 10 years before, to each and every person. Please heal yourself this way. You are your own doctor. You are your own doctor. Become your own doctor. Because that was a miracle stage for me to see that how fastly we can recover ourselves. लुई से एक लेडी जो कैंसर से के लास्ट स्टेज पे थी, जहां पर उसको एक हो गया था कि नहीं, मुझे इससे फाइट करना है, मुझे इससे आगे निकलना है, सो मुझे अपने आप को ठीक करना है. इसने अपने आप को एक थ्योरी बना के, एक थेरेपी बना के, उसने अफर्मेशंस के साथ में मिरर एक्सरसाइज करके उसने अपने कैंसर को भी हरा दिया. कहने का मतलब है कि कैंसर जैसी बीमारी भी अपने आप उसने अफर्मेशंस के साथ सब ठीक कर ली. तो ये हमें जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि एवरीथिंग कैन बी हील्ड. क्योंकि जब मेरे हाथ में ये लगी थी बुक, when my mentors gave me, it was something like a miracle to me. And मैंने ये गिफ्ट बुक्स को परचेज करके सबको, मेरी फैमिली में सबको गिफ्ट की थी कि each and every family was gifted from me कि keep this book and heal yourself, become your own doctor, don't need to go to doctors. मैंने सबको जब भी मिलते थे, you do this, because I have seen the results, actual results over here. So today, as everybody knows that it is my birthday, so I wanted to gift you all that this is a way where we look to the other healers, we go to doctors to heal ourselves. But I want that with this small miracle thing, where if you start loving yourself, if you just focus on yourself, you will know that you can easily heal yourself, and each and every emotions can be healed. हर एक इमोशन आपके साथ में जो जुड़े हुए हैं, वो आपके ही अंदर के कहीं पे आपके होल्ड ऑन इमोशंस होते हैं, जो हम हर्ट या पेन लेके बैठते हैं, और जैसे ही आप उस पे वर्क करते हो, आप उसको सॉल्व कर लेते हो. Because each and every emotion is going to go somewhere in your body, is going to store over there, and suddenly there will be a pain or some cut over there, या you will fall down somewhere, कहीं पे आप गिर जाओगे, कहीं पे आपको लग जाएगी, हाथ कट जाएगा. These are the way of emotions we are unconsciously doing. Today in the morning when I was having a session with one lady, she was having a pain in her shoulder, so much pain in her shoulder that it was unbearable. She told me, Pooja ji, mute your mic please. Vinita ji, aapka mic. She was having a pain unbearable. When I asked that do this exercise, she was, no, I don't have any emotions. I don't have any emotions. I don't have anything feeling over here. After some time, when I was working with her, she came up with the situation, what has happened 4 days before. She was not aware also. She had an argument with her husband and the shoulder had stuck. And after doing this, she had a relief in her shoulder. So it's basically your emotions. So I want you all that it is a very simple therapy, simple exercise, because when you start loving your own self, when you start accepting yourself, things start working for you. Because nowadays it is happening ki all are stuck in a lockdown period and the whole family is together. So because of that, we are having too much emotions and we are stuck in emotions right now. Because we are not knowing that what to do. we are keeping that inside us, and we are started having a kahin pe pain hai, kahin pe we are having that not feeling good, we are getting fever again and again. It is because of the emotions which are storing inside. So would like to tell you all that these simple exercise, when you will start, you will start healing your relationship, you will start healing your financial state, you will start healing your health, you will start healing your all around yourself, you will start healing your family also over here, because your family is your own reflection, because you stay 24/7 today over there with your family only. So basically you need to understand that this exercise for 21 days, if you say that I was not able to do, I don't have time, then I'll say sorry, this workshop is not for you, because everyone is going to say the same thing. 24 hours I don't have time, I was busy, I cannot remove 10 minutes. If you cannot remove 10 minutes for yourself, then you can leave it right now. I'm straightforward telling you all, if you don't have 10 minutes for yourself from 24 hours, don't join it. And if you're not able to participate, not able to give the exercise assignments what you have done, because it is not going to benefit me, it is not going to benefit me, because I'm not charging, I'm not going to have anything. This is going to help you, and this is going to give you benefit. So understand, this is because for you I'm doing it. I'm putting a restriction. If you are not doing the assignments, you are not allowed in the today is the day where I want you all to be very clear why I'm taking this workshop, because without participation, without action, you won't be getting results. If you remember, if I tell you all that don't have food, don't have water for the whole day, 24 hours go without water, will you all stay without water? Will you all stay without food? No. Then for yourself, your soul, जो अंदर आपके आत्मा रहती है, जो आपके अंदर है, उसको 10 मिनट के लिए आपके लिए उसको खाना चाहिए, उसको पानी चाहिए. आप जब से जन्मे हो तब से आप उसको कुछ भी नहीं दे रहे हो. You are not serving anything to your soul. And the soul, जो बोलते हैं हम आत्मा के नाम से सब जानते हैं, हम सोल के नाम से जानते हैं, that is just thirsty and hungry inside. If you start serving food to that, जो बोलते हैं ना, आप भगवान को आप दिखाने के लिए भगवान को भोग लगाते हो, प्रसाद लगाते हो, पानी पिलाते हो. What about serving your own soul? That is a God inside you. What will you give? जब आप उसको भूखा प्यासा रख के खाली आप सामने दुनिया को दिखाने के लिए कर सकते हो, तो that is not the way you are going to live. He is not happy with you then. Understand this. If you want, serve yourself. When you will be happy, you will see, because your soul is happy, you will see a 24/7 smile on your face. You will see that everything is falling in place. You will see that things are going properly. I'm starting my good health. I'm starting my wealth over here. My finance has increased. My job, boss is happy. My wife is happy. My husband is happy. Why? Because you are happy from inside. So you will automatically receive each and everything what you wish. But 10 to 15 minutes you have to remove for it. If you have excuses, then please don't join. I have a request. Don't waste your time for 2 days also. If you can give 100%, join this. It will benefit you and this will change your life. You don't need to go to anyone. That guarantee I can give you all. If you do 100%, you work on yourself, you work on the emotions, the way it is taught. Because this is not created by me. I say very clearly, this is not created by me. This is a Louise Hay technique where I have learned, because every technique no one has created. We are just a beginners. These techniques, I always share also, these are given by other mentors. No technique is created by me. So bowing to her, my head over here, that she has created a miracle technique where you can talk to your emotions, you can work on your emotions, and you can heal. But what happens is, one thing I would like to tell you straight, when you get something free, you all don't value. Free में है ना, चलेगा, बाद में करेंगे. When there someone is asking you to pay, you all will do. Because पैसा लगा है ना, you have paid over there. But here, that's why I have to ask you all, if you are doing assignment properly, if you all want to benefit for yourself, if you want to see miracles in your life, you want to change your health, wealth, start doing it. 21 days. Literally, I ask you 21 days of your 15 minutes of your time. Join this, you will see results. But joining the group and doing your other works, maybe asking for or meeting them or contacting them for your contacts, then it is not worth it. Karma is going to come back to you. That I don't have any issue for that. But if you are joining, join by heart and do the exercises. Because every day I'll be uploading, and here I want to make it very clear, the videos will be there for 24/7 in the Facebook group itself. Or maybe I'll be giving you YouTube link, anything I'll do. There will be available for 24/7 for you all. You all just have to go whenever you get the time. 24 घंटे में से जब भी आपको टाइम मिलता है, क्लिक करिए लिंक पे, जाके उसको वॉच करिए, उसके साथ में मेडिटेशन होगा, उसको पूरा कंप्लीट कीजिए, and then come and do the assignment and submit it. That is my commitment over here. I'm not asking for myself, I'm asking for yourself, your own selves. So if you want to do it for your own self. Because मेरे पे कोई एहसान नहीं करने वाले हो. You are not going to do something, क्या बोलते हैं, something, anything, gratitude to me. It is for your own selves. Doing, joining, and working on yourself. I'm again and again repeating the same thing, because you are going to work on yourself, not on me. I am only the medium. Today I had just a thought that why everybody is suffering so much, why lockdown fear is so much to everyone. I'm losing my job, I'm doing this because of your fears, because of the emotions you all have it, because of your surroundings. You're not comfortable with someone. There must be something around you. So start working on yourself. Because anything happening around is your own emotions, your own thinking, your own thoughts. So just work on it. If you have any severe also, it will slowly. I'm not telling that if you're having a severe something and it will be healed. But if that severe is there, you will have something very less over there. And then you need to work for more 21 days, more 40 days, because it is a process. If you go to a doctor, if you have something very long diseases, what happens? You don't get healed in 1 week or something. It takes a long period. So this is without meditation, medication, without any medicines, only with the meditation and your own working about yourselves. You will learn so much over here that you will start giving tips to others that do, and you will be that person in someone's life where the person will be gratitude to you that this is a miracle exercise, because you become a healer for your own self, you will be healer for your whole family. So I wish that everyone takes a step, do for your own self and work on your own self. And do submit, because you will see who is going to check, who is going to do over there. Because if you are committed, you are giving commitment and joining the group, it is your karma. If you are submitting, it is your karma. It is not my karma. मेरा karma है, मुझे देना है. आप join करोगे, नहीं करोगे, then also I am going to give. Because I committed to myself to give that 21 days to each and every one, those who are interested. And if after joining also you all don't do, it is your karma. Because I am telling this, because क्या होता है, कौन देखने वाला है, किसको पता है? It is the universe is watching. I will do my work. I want that everyone, those who are there, connected with me in my groups from such a long time, why they are again and again going through the same situations? Why they are complaining? मुझे ये हो रहा है, मुझे ये हो रहा है. Why? Because you are not learning the right technique. You are not working for yourself. You are going through all the emotions always. You are having those emotions. That's why they are coming again and again. It's not that I don't get ill. I don't get anything. It happens to me also. But that's why Nirmala ji told when she joined, I was talking to her. When I shared my example, it is not that I don't get hurted. I don't get ill. I'm also a human being. I'm also a human being. 2 days before, I had a severe pain in my right arm. Something happened, I don't know. It was something with my servant. Something happened small. But the emotion was stuck over there. But what I taught, I applied it on the spot. And I shared in the, because I don't have any shame. कि मैं मेरी कमजोरी नहीं बताऊं, क्योंकि I am also a human being. मैं भी बीमार होती हूँ, मेरे को भी तकलीफ होती है. There must be something going on in my life also, up and down. I am also same like you, but I know where to apply it on the right time. So what I did, I healed it on the spot. Within 5 minutes, the pain was gone. I shared with everyone in the group. 5 minutes में वो दर्द गायब हो गया. You should only know. That time I got a click that why everyone are complaining, मुझे ये हो गया, ये हो गया. I don't know where someone is there or not. I don't know. I'm just looking if she's. I know basically in my family there were blood cancers and a small child of 8 years he was having. They all are healed. How? With affirmations, with the ECs. Yes, we need some medical help that time. It is fine. But with affirmations, they are totally healed. You all have to trust yourself. Believe in yourself. Work on yourself. That's only. जब तक आप अपने लिए कुछ नहीं करोगे, आपको कभी भी खुशी नहीं मिलने वाली है. Because what I am doing right now is my passion. I love doing it. मुझे कोई आधी रात को भी आके कोई बोलेगा, मैं उसको बताना चालू कर दूंगी, आप ये करो, because I have only 4 things to tell each and everyone. What I give always, I don't want that do this, do this, do this. Do acceptance, let go, forgive, and gratitude. Only 4 things in life. कोई मिराकल नहीं होने वाला, कोई वो आपकी सिर्फ 4 थिंग इतनी मिराकल थिंग है आपके लाइफ में जो आपके हाथ में है, उसकी वॉन्ड आपके हाथ में, उसकी चाबी आपके हाथ में है. The keys are in your hands. What happens? You go to the doctor. You go to the doctor, he gives the medicine, he has the medicine में there is some mixture of sleepiness, dizziness. You all go to sleep. Your mind goes to relax. And you all go to sleep. Because when you go to sleep that time, with the meditation, what happens? You all don't think. Your mind is calm. So लगता है डॉक्टर ने ठीक कर दिया, हो गया काम. But after 4 days, 5 days, when you start the routine again, the whole jumps up again. Thump, boom करके आता है. फिर वापस वही emotions. मैं तो थक गया, ये हो गया, this is there, ये किटकिट होती है, ये होता है, everything starts again. And again after 20-25 days, I'm feeling very low, I'm feeling feverish. Then again you go to the doctor, again take the medicines for 2 days, and again take a dose, take rest for 2 days, and then again go to work. This is a routine of everyone, what they are doing. But not reminding themselves कि मेरे को क्या चाहिए. Work on your roots. जो जरूरत है उस पे काम करिए और उसको heal कीजिए. So this workshop is for 21 days. Today I'm not starting. This is the introduction. Today I wanted to give you all that this is the way it is going to work. 24/7 you all will be having the recordings. Just watch the recordings and do it. Who all are ready to give 15 to 20 minutes of theirs for your own self? Who all are committed?
Ma'am, I'm ready.
Just type in the chat na me committed or
Chat
type
is
committed.
disabled.
Pardon?
Chat is disabled. D.
ओहो,
Chat
okay.
नहीं है.
अच्छा ठीक है, सब आ जाइए, बोल दीजिए, चलो फटाफट आ जाइए, कोई बात
Ma'am,
नहीं, आ जाइए.
I am raised hand.
Yay, so happy.
Ma'am,
Wow.
I am
हम सब पहले बोल दो दीदी सब.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a request.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I want to do it, but I find it very difficult to catch up with recordings. Is it possible to give the task in a written note also? So those who can't catch up with recordings can do the...
My recordings won't be fast. I won't be saying like a pat like a parrot.
No, it's just I find it easier because
No, I'm not typing like a person.
Okay.
Video is fine for me. I'll be giving the video recordings and then you'll just take it over here.
Okay.
Because it will be very simple. It will be not very difficult task.
Okay.
Simple exercise रहेगी जहाँ पर आपको एक statement. I won't be giving that you read this much, and then you go and then do. I'll be very simple and specified. Do this, this, and say this, and done.
Okay.
मुझे वो जो है ना एक इतना बड़े messages होते हैं लिख के फिर उसमें करना. I'm a simple person. जहाँ पर 4 sentences लिखे हैं. 4 use this and do this exercise.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I'm attending your workshop for the first time, and I'm very impressed with the way of explanation. I am ready to definitely complete the task given by you, and I'm sincerely obliged.
I'm so happy that you are working for your own self, because I want that you all should get the result. You can heal your family, because those who are connected with me, I'm very proud to say that they know how to heal them and they are helping others.
Hello, ma'am. So nice of
Yes.
you. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. This is Pavreen. I've recently joined
Yeah.
you and I'm following your exercises. I'm a new mom. I just have a 3-month-old baby. So कभी आपकी exercises ऊपर नीचे हो जाती हैं, but I try to finish it up in the day. And I'm so looking forward for your workshop and I really want to attend it. Thank you, ma'am, for guiding us.
Welcome.
I'm
Welcome.
your new student.
No, I don't have any students because I am also a student. I am also learning always.
Thank you, ma'am.
Because मैं हमेशा पढ़ती रहती हूँ, मैं सीखती रहती हूँ, तो मैं तो स्टूडेंट ही हूँ सबके लिए. Because I also learn from you all so much, always.
मेरा जुलाई में बेबी हुआ है.
Congratulations.
तो उससे थोड़ी सी मेरी रूटीन ऊपर नीचे रहती है, बट आई ट्राई टू.
कोई बात नहीं है, आप एक गॉड के साथ में ब्लेस्ड हो और आप उसको बड़ा करोगे तो आप उसको सिखा सकते हो कि उसको कैसे बात करनी है, उसको कैसे करना है. So the baby is blessed because you are going to do the exercises for her, that baby.
Absolutely, I feel blessed कि जैसे ये आई है and I got associated with you.
Great, great.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Because I know the importance, because I always say the roots are from the childhood. Basically, it is from the womb only. But जब भी आप बच्चों को बड़ा करते हो, तब आप जो sentences भी बोलते हो, वो कितने मैटर करते हैं आपके.
बहुत मैटर करते हैं मैम, मैं अपने लिए अब जानती हूँ. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Sure. So everyone be there. Any questions?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions?
No, thank you, Golnata, for your selfless deed. Thank you, दी. आप हैं वही एक बहुत बड़ी पॉजिटिविटी है हमारे लाइफ में.
I'm so happy. I know everybody is thankful. So खाली thank you नहीं सुनना है, बस आप करिए. मुझे I'll be so happy for that. Because मुझे पता है सब जन मुझे बोलने वाले हैं, क्योंकि वो अंदर से निकलेगा. क्योंकि लेकिन जब तक आप खुद करोगे ना, मुझे इतनी खुशी होगी कि आपको किसी के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप अपने आप ही ठीक हो जाओगे. Because आपको वो समझ में आना चाहिए कि ये क्यों हो रहा है. मैं कभी एक दो में सेशंस लेने वाली हूँ जहां पर I explain that why it is happening, what you need to understand about yourself, why it is happening. If you understand that, you will come to know that the emotions are just the situations around you. तो जब आप वो situations को heal कर लेते हो, you are healed totally. So you need to just understand this only. Because I am so happy that आप लोग अगर इसमें से आज जिन्होंने ज्वाइन किया उसमें से अगर जो भी करता है, I am grateful to each and everyone, because you are going to help. My goal is to reach out to those who can work on themselves and change their lives, and again they reach out to someone, to their families, and heal their families. Because a guidance, किसी को नहीं पता है कि क्या करना है. सही स्टेप सब गाइड करेंगे, आप ये ज्वाइन कर लो, आप ये पैसे, but that is not the solution. You need that. You should know the root cause. Always go to the root cause. जब तक आप जड़ को ठीक नहीं करोगे आपके, तो आपकी ग्रोथ कैसे होगी झाड़ की अच्छी. We are like a tree. So just work on your roots. So here it will be working on your roots. So again, the generation, what is coming, you will come to know that how your words are affecting, how your thoughts need to be changed. Everything will be in one-to-one, step by step. So start working on yourself, because जब तक आप इतने बड़े हो गए हो, हम इतने बड़े हो गए, मैं इतनी बड़ी हो गई हूँ, मैंने जितने मतलब मैं क्या बोलूं, what I had seen after such a long time, that I was doing everything which should not be done. But after changing the soul, I have seen that everything has changed. I think so many of them know me from past 10 years. And those who know that totally everything has changed in my life. So basically, when I know that I'm a simple person where I can change it by doing the simple exercises, I can manifest so many things. Why can't a simple other person can do it? So just take the steps and do the exercises. So those who have attended just now recently, I'll be sharing the recording in the group. I'll be uploading in the Facebook group. Yes, I will be sharing the Facebook link, because what will happen if I'm sharing on the WhatsApp, many times WhatsApp is getting hanged right now due to so many videos, maybe so many regular updates. So Facebook is where you can upload, or if you're comfortable, I can upload in the Telegram group. These are the two ways you can do easily, where your WhatsApp is not going to hang, because nowadays the WhatsApp is hanging too much. So I hope that I give you all the link of Facebook, where everything will be saved for you all. Whenever you want, you all can come, watch it and do it. Do you all agree?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So Facebook group is very safe, and it will be
Yeah.
a closed group. So only those who are in the group, and if this group is joining, it will be a family. There will be no one who is going to judge you that this person is going with this emotions, this person is going with this emotions. Understand this. This will be a family, a different family of loving oneself. So no one is going to judge you that आपने लिखा है कि इसकी वाइफ के साथ चालू है, या इसके यहाँ पर पेन है, या ये इसको ये इमोशंस जा रहे हैं, इसके जॉब नहीं है. Don't think. Work on yourself, because this will be, no one is going to judge you. No one is going to personal message you. If anybody does, you all can come, because it is something where you are going to work on yourselves. Everyone clear? If you have doubt, you all can ask. Otherwise, we'll just end the meeting.
Appreciate you with adorable feelings. Thanks, Divine.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Second, happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anyone, any questions?
Happy birthday, ma'am. And I think you're doing a wonderful deed, truly. And it would make a difference in our lives.
Thank you. I like that you all learn and teach others.
Yes, ma'am, surely.
Because that is my aim, that if I can reach so many, because those who are in connection with y'all, I don't know them.
Yeah.
Y'all can reach them and teach the technique. Those who are learning from you, they will teach to somebody else. This way the family will be growing.
Yeah. A good deed should be passed on.
Yeah, definitely.
We should make a motto.
Yeah.
मैम आपने स्टार्टिंग में बुक का नाम लिया था, प्लीज बताएंगे वो नाम?
Heal your life.
Hello?
Heal your life. Afterwards, at the end, I'll share the PDF also with you all.
Okay, okay.
So relax. I'll share each and everything, whatever I have, I'll share it with you all. Because I have gifted this book to my whole family, I think so. I have such a big family. I have gifted to my friends, family. Please do this. Please take this. Do this. Do this. When I learned about normal eating, जो हम बोलते हैं diet fad है, कि ये diet करनी चाहिए, ये diet करनी चाहिए. When I received the diet book of Ruchita Divekar, lose your weight, don't lose your mind, lose your weight. I gifted 100 books to to those who met me, because that was a very simple and easy book. Where with normal eating, I lost 40 kgs that time. So it is very simple कि जो चीज अच्छी लग रही है वो दे दो आप, अपने पास होल्ड मत रखो, क्योंकि आप होल्ड रखोगे आपको यूनिवर्स और कुछ नहीं देने वाला है. जब मैं दे रही हूँ, यूनिवर्स मेरे पास भेज रहा है और चीजें. So I am so happy, I am blessed. That's why.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, welcome everyone.
Are we going to meet every day?
See, I'll be uploading the videos. If you all want, I'll be recording at one time.
Okay.
Sessions. So if you all want, you all can join the meeting. It will be 5 o'clock only, most probably.
Okay.
I'll be going live over there. If you all are joining, you all can attend live. Otherwise, you all can, those who are not able to join, they can see it afterwards.
Okay, because only Friday I won't be able to attend at 5 o'clock.
Anytime. See, it is not that basically you need to there. It is basically if many are there, I'll be taking on Zoom. Then I'll be uploading on the Facebook, or I'll be taking on Facebook live and then on the group only, and then you all can watch anytime. Okay. If you are live, you all can join over there.
Fine.
Because I think so 5 o'clock is the time where everyone will be able to join. Or most probably, if I do it in the morning, 6 o'clock, because I have joined a 5 a.m. club of Robin Sharma. So we get up at 4:30 and have exercises and everything. So that is a different routine. So before 6 o'clock, I am not able to take. If you all want, I can take it after 6:30 in the morning.
Evening is fine, Dee.
So I'll take it at 5 o'clock.
Evening is fine, but only for the one day I will have to go for the recordings.
No, it's okay. Agar aisa bhi hua, to I'll see if I'm taking live. If sometimes I also having some work, I'll upload the video. So it's basically, let's see how it works out. Okay, but do the exercise generously. It will help you all.
Yes.
6 o'clock in the morning would also be fine.
Thank you so much. And
yeah, I'll see, because it is basically I can do after 6:30 or basically after around 5, or in the afternoon also is fine, but afternoon many must be going to office or something, because right now I could have taken at around 8 o'clock or something, but right now my Dream Life sessions are going on, and they are still, classes are going on. 9:20 my live is there daily, so I'm there on these sessions, so I won't be able to take at night.
No, if it's in the morning, then we have the whole day to do it whenever we want. So.
Okay, so that is also a good idea. Fine.
Madam, thank you so much, and happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Acha, I just wanted to know the name of the book you told me to lose the weight.
Don't lose your mind, lose your weight.
Don't lose your weight. Thank you.
Hello.
So much.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, good evening.
It's Vinika.
Sorry. Yeah,
Dr.
Vinika. Yes. Ma'am, sorry, I couldn't join earlier. And
I'll be sharing the video. I'll sharing the video.
Can you please brief the session in 2 minutes?
It's basically working on your own self, working with your own emotions, because if you work on yourselves, you will be healing you and your own family and your all relations, all your health, wealth, and relationship issues.
Right. So what are we supposed to do? What are you going to do?
I'll be uploading daily, or I'll be going live on the Facebook group daily. So there, the videos will be there for 24/7. You all have to remove your time, 15 minutes, the exercises, and submit them.
Okay. We'll have to make a video.
No, it is an assignment.
Okay. Right.
अगर वीडियो भी बनाते हो तो I am happy. Come. अरे join video also. It is okay. अगर आप comfortable नहीं हो, writing में comfortable नहीं हो, अपना video बना के डाल दो.
So we'll be sharing assignments from the book You Can Heal.
It is basically I'll be doing it in my own way. I'm not copying exactly the material from there. I'll be taking the affirmations and what she has given in a pattern way. But I won't be posting the whole material that way कि इतना बड़ा message आप ये पढ़ो और ये करो.
Okay. So how many days it will last?
21 days.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
The group is forever.
Okay.
That is a relationship transformer hub. I have named it.
Share the link of the group.
I'll share the group link.
Thank you.
Dr. Vinika?
Yes?
Yes, Dr. Vinika, happy birthday to you.
It's not me.
Hello.
हाँ जी मैम,
आज अलका दी का बर्थडे है.
It's not my birthday. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Whose birthday is it?
नीलता जी, मेरा है बर्थडे. मैंने विश कबूल कर ली आपके पास से. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for accepting it. I just have a small thing to ask you. You've done your PhD in something, or your medical, what is it? Doctor in what?
I'm not a doctor.
Okay, that's somebody else, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And your specialized area is healing.
See, I am specialized in my own way.
Okay, okay.
I have my
That's
own
so
degree.
nice. Yeah. No, not the degree. I mean, you are a healer and you're doing wonderful job. You're reaching out.
No,
to so
I'm
many
not a
people.
healer. I'm basically a medium where I'm just reaching out to people where I can just guide what I have learned.
Okay. Wonderful.
I've done my
wonderful.
life coaching and everything, but I don't put it as a degree over here because I'm no one, because I haven't created anything.
Okay,
These are all the tips and techniques what our before mentors have taught. If I say I'm a Reiki grandmaster, I'm not a grandmaster because Reiki is taught by Dr. Mikoyushi. It is created by him. So I am no one. I'm just a student. I'm just forwarding the messages what I have learned from them.
Wonderful.
Awesome point of view, ma'am.
Great
Awesome.
thing. You're sharing so much of knowledge, and that is most important. And I just love the way you said it. Unless we work on ourselves, we bring a change and a sense of acceptance. It is so easy to understand and live happily.
Yeah, because everything will
we
be
have
solved.
to have our own
Everything
inner
will be
connection.
solved.
That is something
Everything
that
will be
I'm
solved.
trying to practice. So I was motivated by what you said. Thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome everyone. So I'm just wishing
Thanks
that
a lot.
everyone who all are joining can come in front. Let's see who all are there. So we all are meeting tomorrow in the Facebook group, 5 p.m. I'll be sharing the link.
In the new group, WhatsApp group, you are sharing the link. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Sheetal, I'm happy to see you. आप रुकना, लास्ट तक रुकना. आप और अंजू रुकना.
Sure.
Okay, thank you so much because these are my best friends. We are meeting after such a long time.
And one thing more I want to say to all कि आप मेरी life change कर रही हो, मतलब पूरा. You have changed my life.
शीतल, वॉन्ड आपके हाथ में थी, आपने चेंज की है खुद की लाइफ.
नहीं, बट मोटिवेशन तो बहुत, मतलब प्रॉपर वो जो ट्रैक पे चला दिया ना, वो बहुत बेटर था. मतलब I need somebody to hold my hand.
वो चाहिए था उस समय. मैंने आपको हाथ दिया और आपने पकड़ के खड़े हो गए और चल दिए, बस वो था.
तो वही तो मेन है ना, हाथ पकड़ने वाला तो मेन है ना. अगर गुड टीचर है तो स्टूडेंट्स भी अच्छा ही करेंगे ना.
I'm not a teacher. I'm also a student.
Very true.
I am also a student.
मेरी तो गुरु हो.
But लेकिन आपसे मैंने कितना सीखा है, you know.
Alka, I want to share something.
Yeah.
मराठी में एक लाइन है, देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे, देणाऱ्याने देता देता घेणाऱ्याचे हात घ्यावे. आपने उनको लिया.
यार, खाली मैं शीतल के बारे में इतना बताना चाहूंगी. She is a lady where she has transformed her life from she was a good cook मतलब बोलते ना, amazing cook बोलेंगे. उसके बाद में उसके लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा कुछ आया. उसके बाद में वापस उसको खुद को खड़ा जो होना है, उसने मिराकल क्रिएट किया है. मतलब हिस्ट्री में मिराकल बोलूंगी मैं. I'll literally share with you all what it is there. I was connected with her due to my son, where they were studying with each other. उसके बाद she used to we just meet once in a month or something because she used to cook something. उसको खाना खिलाने का बहुत शौक है. So she used to call us at her home for having kitty मतलब party जैसे. और when you used to go to her house, it is not one variety. We used to get 30 varieties. From one She used to make 30 varieties. मतलब अगर ढोकला बना है तो that ढोकला का 15 varieties तो 100% होना ही होना है. That is as Sheetal. Then suddenly something happened. Her husband was not there due to some incident. Suddenly हो गया. She has 2 kids, and that time, at the point of time, she was not having a support of her family also, and not support of her in-laws also. She was not in talking terms properly with her in-laws. She was giving 100%, but there was no one to come and support at that time to her. We were only just some friends over there. But literally also friends were also losing out. But I don't know. I was just stepped in this journey over there, and I didn't feel that. I just was there connected with her, and I just made her do some exercises where she was very depressed by going because of his husband. She was totally broken and she was blaming herself again and again. But after connecting and doing the exercise, the miracle started in her life. She started working on herself, and I'll literally tell you what the miracle happened. Her mother's side family now have a very good connection. उसके in-laws, जिसकी जेठानी से लोग का इतना नहीं था, she is a lady. They were staying separate. She is now staying with her. And उसने उनकी पूरी बेटी की शादी पूरा हैंडल करना, everything she has done. She is a lady. She has sent his son to study at US. And she is a lady. She has taken her parents to a US trip. उसकी फैमिली में किसी ने नहीं किया, उसके ब्रदर्स सिस्टर्स जो जिसके पास पैसे हैं, but she is a lady because she worked on herself. She has the acceptance. She has forgiven everyone. She has let go, and she is the lady. She has stood up and done everything for everyone. I give her hats off that no one in life I have come across to such a strong lady and a beautiful lady who is always a giver in her life. Giver and giver, giver, giver. She's the best example of a giver, and I bow her literally. She is the, बोलते ना, एक भगवान की मूर्ति है जो खाली देता है. इसने कभी भी कुछ मांगा नहीं, लेकिन भगवान ने अपने आप ही बोला, तू इतना दे रही है, मैं तेरे को देता हूँ. Blessed, blessed and blessed. And now she is totally blessed with only blessings. So I literally always have the gratitude that कहीं पे मैं ऐसे लोगों से connected हूँ जो grow होना, देना जानते हैं, जो सीखना जानते हैं, action लेना जानते हैं. So I'm blessed with that happiness. So I'm blessed with Sheetal that she is my best friend. Where Anju, we all are connected that way, and she is also a person where she is also teaching and growing herself always. So I don't have any words. These are the very less words what I'm telling about Sheetal.
No, actually अलका ये सब आपकी वजह से ही हुआ है. जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ उसमें बहुत बड़ा मिरेकल आपने क्रिएट किया है.
शीतल स्टेप्स तो आपने लिए ना बेटा.
लिया, बट मेरा हाथ पकड़ के जो मुझे बाहर निकाला ना, वो बहुत मेन था मेरे लिए. वो मोमेंट्स आई कैन never forget. So always in the morning when I'm doing prayers, I have a gratitude for you. कि मेरी
But I'm so happy to see, मतलब I'm so happy to see Nisha भाभी के साथ में, मतलब like a family best friends. Now they are best friends जो एक दूसरे के साथ में. So I'm so happy that it is something a very, ये चाहिए अभी की लाइफ में सबको, जो मन के अंदर शांति दे, सुकून दे, पीस दे, ये चाहिए खाली। सब इसके लिए तरसते हैं।
इसीलिए तो हम लोग आपसे कनेक्टेड है ना।
हाँ, तो वो तो
आपको
रहना ही
छोड़ना
है।
ही नहीं है, छोड़ना ही नहीं है, ताकि हम हमेशा।
मैं आपको नहीं छोड़ने वाली हूँ शीतल जी, आप क्या छोड़ोगे? मैं ही नहीं छोड़ने वाली हूँ।
अलका को कभी मतलब अगर बाई चांस नहीं हुआ फोन तो भी कनेक्टेड रहना है, बिकॉज यू नो वी हैव टू लर्न मेनी थिंग्स।
इट इज कनेक्शन फ्रॉम आवर हार्ट। इट इज कनेक्शन। भले हमारा कॉल नहीं होता है, भले हमारी बात नहीं होती होगी, बट वी आर कनेक्टेड फ्रॉम आवर हार्ट। So everyone who is there in my group, I just bless that they learn their own healings. They learn, become their own doctor. I always use this sentence, become your own doctor, become your own healer.
We can do it.
Yes. And when we are gathering so many people, we can create so many positive vibes to so many people. So let's learn, heal ourselves, and become something where we can reach out to our own families, where we can just teach them small tips, because we are not aware. And we create miracles in our own lives. Because हम दूसरों के पास में तो बाद में देखेंगे, अपनी लाइफ में मिरेकल क्रिएट करेंगे तो हम ऑटोमेटिकली दूसरों की लाइफ में वो पहुंच ही जाएंगे. So I'm so happy with you all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ma'am, you said you'll be sending your daily exercises on the YouTube.
YouTube,
link,
maybe
right?
on the Facebook. I'll be doing one thing.
Okay.
Whatever happens, I'm just checking out how it works.
Yeah, the link you'll be sending.
It will be nice to have it on Telegram.
No, Baba.
So that it will stay in the phone with us.
I see. It basically I had done on the Telegram also. I started a group, but there are many of them who are not active on Telegram.
Oh, acha.
That is happening. So what happens is nowadays WhatsApp is good or Facebook is good.
WhatsApp is, as you rightly said, WhatsApp.
Yeah, it is happening because it has happened with me also. Because I have done so many courses for such a long time, and everything when I see, I said universe wants me something new.
Oh.
Done always to create my own new. So I just leave it out. So that's why because everyone have this question that it is not there.
They're wonderful, very nice. What you're doing is God's divine grace.
So let us create something for our own selves and work ahead and do it.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
So everyone, thank you so much for coming here and learning about what we need to do about it and what steps we need to take.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, eagerly waiting for the exercises.
Yeah, surely.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you.
God bless you.
God bless you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Celebrate and enjoy your day today.
Yes, today is home day. Thank you, everyone. Everyone can just exit.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Anju and Sheetal, wait.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.